Way too close. Get back up.
Well, technically.
I hate the anticipation.
Okay, touch gloves.
Ding.
Tink.
Oh, fuck.
Hit him back, dude. Check your face.
You can do takedowns too.
I feel bad. Swing back, dude.
Yeah, fuck. You done? You done? You done? You good?
He wants to get one hit. Let him get one hit. Let him get
No,
one
no,
hit.
no.
That's cheating.
No, hey, just don't guard your face. Be quick. Just don't guard your
Are you
face.
done?
Be like this.
You didn't last a minute.
Are you done?
He's not a fighter.
Yeah, but he didn't last. He didn't last 20 seconds either.
Come on, enjoy the phone. If you're done, it's cool. I know my touches hurt. You done? Alright, he's done.